Hey, my name is Spencer Williams. I'm the founder of Scale Selling, a full-service digital marketing agency designed around doing internet marketing that helps you sell more. So I work with people to get them new customers using social media and the internet, and I learned from an early age that your network is your net worth. So I knew that if I wanted to get a certain result, achieve something, I just had to go out and have a conversation with the right person. So the first time I heard of internet marketing and social media marketing and saw what was possible, I was working for an online business in the real estate niche doing $200,000 to $400,000 in sales per month, all through social media and internet marketing, and they were a real estate education company. So we were learning and teaching this stuff to real estate investors, teaching marketing, branding, lead generation, social media, capital raising, closing, team management, sales, negotiations, money management, and everything. And I was like, man, this stuff could change my life. And I was like, this guy's 30 years old, making $200,000 to $400,000 per month, and a big part of that success we created was because of his online presence, social media, and lead generation strategies. So I was like, this guy's a pro, and other people need to apply these strategies to their business too, and I'm going to do the same while helping other people learn the correct information and apply it, because these people know what they're doing right now. This was 3 years ago. The big thing that I realize is that internet and social media marketing, digital transformation of business is one of the most powerful tools out there right now for growth, but it requires commitment to do it at a high level and get results. It requires time commitment, it requires monetary commitment. So once I started to invest my money and put it all on the line, that's when it changed everything. And then once I got around the right people who had the correct information and were actively scaling their business and growing fast in today's world, I mean, these guys were killer, right? A lot of them are working with celebrities right now. They had one of the fastest growing companies in Canada when it comes to scaling, and when it comes to people, they were hands down following the most intelligent strategies, and the experience I gained has proven to be invaluable to myself and my clients. They were very experienced. So when you are growing and scaling multiple businesses, when they are among the fastest growing companies in the online space, when you're investing in yourself, your brand, your growth, your internet and social media marketing for 10 plus years, spending $80,000 a month on it, I mean, what better person to learn about and spend all day with if you're looking to do the same thing and provide those services to others? Somebody that understands growing businesses in today's world and digital marketing at a really high level, because they're crushing it. And being able to have 24/7 access to that information where you can learn, ask questions, see how they do everything inside and out, how they created the success and kept that momentum rolling. Just 3 years ago, I was making $2,400 a month as a construction worker that wanted more. And our best month this year, we did over $38,000 in monthly revenue, which is more than a 10x growth in my revenue. And I've never would have been able to transform my life and help people around the planet do the same in a short period of 3 years if it wasn't for one, the internet, two, internet and social media marketing tools, and three, having the correct information on what and how to do it. The internet, social media, branding, marketing, SEO, retargeting content will bring you crazy growth. It's real. Plug your business in and see the power for yourself.